Hi friends! When you are a new gardener, it's hard to know how to get started. Even the most experienced gardener need to have right tools, friends. So here I am to help you out to find out the right path to a beautiful garden. Welcome to Rich Life, Rich Way, friends, and today's topic will be on must-have gardening tools for a beginner. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel, and do press the bell icon for further notifications. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So first, just have a look on my 5 major gardening tools which I think are the must have for beginners. In no particular order, let's start to know them better. First, we'll take shovel. Friends, it is used for most of the jobs in our garden, particularly those that include digging and the removal or addition of loose gardening materials such as compost, fertilizers, soil, etc. So the next equipment I'll be talking about is pruner. Friends, this is another tool required no matter how your garden is. A lot of cutting and trimming jobs can be handled with a good pruner. They are also great for harvesting herbs, fruits and vegetables. Also for cutting down plants for the compost pile too. So third on my list is weeder. Sometimes weeds can be a major pain to remove. Luckily, there are a few handy tools for use to battle weeds in your garden. It is designed to help remove weeds with a taproot and pull the weed out easily. So next equipment I'll talk about is water can. This is another must-have tool for beginners as it acts as a shower for plants and each plant gets required quantity of water to grow. As when watered with muck, a hole develops due to the pressure and water can makes the water spread evenly. And last but not the least, the fifth tool I'll talk about is spray bottle, or you can say pressure sprayer. This tool helps a lot in pressure spraying the plant either with water or pesticide. It is helpful in keeping our plants away from pest attack. I mostly use it in spraying neem oil solution on my plants every now and then and to keep my plants healthy.
So this was all about today's topic. If you find it helpful, do tell me in the comment box below. Until we meet again, happy gardening!